Now let us see some kind of hash function in data security. See, normally we are seeing a number of the problems and in terms of the numbers and find the next number, etc. like that. And those number games, puzzles, we are applying some kind of function. That function is called hash function. It's a mapping function. That means one number is under a function, it is transformed into another number, and that the transformed number is stored so that the original number will not be known to others except the person who is transforming this number using the hash function. And this concept is very widely used in data security, and that we will see in this session. Now let us consider A be the data which is to be protected from the security angle. You call A is the data. Define the hash function. For example, the function is defined as B is equal to function of A which is mapped into 5A plus 1. That means the A is mapped as 5A plus 1. It is only example. You can use 6A, 7A, any type of function. Then what is going to happen is from this function, A will be, to get back the original value, after mapping, to get the original value, you have to take F inverse of B. A will be F inverse of B. So from this, since B is equal to 5A plus 1, you will find A will be equal to B minus 1 divided by 5. Example, when A is equal to 1, B becomes 6. That means under the hash function, the value of A1 is mapped as 6. So 1 will be stored as 6. And to get the original value of A as 1, inverse function when you apply, that is B minus 1 divided by 5, you get A is equal to 1. Thus, you can use this type of hash function to map your original data in different format, and while retrieving, you can just reverse that format, apply the reverse of the hash function, and thereby you get the original value. So this is this type of hash function is very widely used in data security, mostly in banking application. Wherever money handling dealing is there, you can do that. And this is also very useful in cyber crime and other applications. It can be utilized. So hash function plays a very important role in data security. Have a good day.